So if you have a Nintendo Wi-Fi USB connector for the DS during any from when you got it originally, you can actually use a virtual machine to get Pokemon. So let's soft restart this, and then. But the first thing that I did was I got the recent software, which you can still get. You have to get it on an archive site, and you'll be able to get the most recent version right here. Install it, and you can install it on Windows Vista. I'd prefer Windows Vista rather than XP because of the security issues and all that. So, under Network and Share Center, the next thing that you do, and this is for Heart Gold and Soul Silver. Set up network connection. Actually, no. It'll take care of all this connection for you. So manage network connection. Properties. Continue. Version 4. And change it to these DNS settings. And make sure this one is left blank. Okay. And do the same thing for the Nintendo Wi-Fi USB connector because you don't want it to go to another DNS. Cancel. Cancel. Alright. And so from here, this is what should be running when you have everything set up. So on the DSi or the DS or the DS Lite, you go under System Settings. You can go under System Settings or you can do it through the game. System Settings just is a little bit easier in some ways. And then you choose Nintendo Wi-Fi USB connector. Say OK. Actually, next. And then it should find the USB. If it is connected correctly, it should come up with this screen. And the DS Lite looks completely different. So it tests the connection, and this is what shows up. I only have 3 DSs that can connect to this device. If you're using a 3DS, and it'll come back with that. If you're using a 3DS, this will not work. This only works with DSi and DS and DS Lite. So either Heart Gold or Soul Silver. Okay. Alright. Getting through it. And then you go to the mystery gift. If you have some previous cards, you will have to delete them. So I already got my shiny Eevee. Yes. I'm just going to delete one card because I'm just going to show you one event. Alright. Exit. Just press B. Receive gift. And then instead of via wireless, you go to say get via Nintendo Wi-Fi connection. Say yes. It should connect, and it should show up here as well. And then say yes. You've already received this gift. Keep trying until you get the gift you want. And there we go. One of the legendary trio. And you just pick it up at the Pokemart. But what I found out is this trick also works for Black 2 and White 2, but the thing is, Black 2 and White 2 can be done on the 3DS. So these are the settings that I found, and this is actually what works properly. And this is the more secure connection if you can get it, because it's actually going through your regular Wi-Fi or your regular internet and going through the device. And you actually can allow or deny any of these devices. And it will only allow DS and DSi, and DS Lite devices. It will not allow anything else other than those types of devices. But I just wanted to show you guys this, and there you go. You can actually get your Pokemon. Of course, my boxes, and then you just have to make sure your box is empty while you're whatever 6 Pokemon you're carrying. But yeah, that is it's not a trick, and this is working right now, and here's the time of when it's working. Have fun.